Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make bacon and egg onigiri. Bacon and egg onigiri is not a classic onigiri at all. It's like a fusion onigiri. If you're new to onigiri and not really sure about all the classic filling like umeboshi or salmon, maybe this is the one you can start with. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with this bacon and egg onigiri, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. 2 cups of Japanese rice, some salt and pepper, black pepper, slices of bacon, it's about 100 grams, 2 eggs and some salt. At first, I'm going to cook the rice, so let's rinse it 3 or 4 times. Add some water, stir gently, and drain. And repeat this 2 more times. Put the rinsed rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice. I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Put the lid on and leave the rice in this water more than half an hour. This will allow enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. The rice has been soaked in the water more than half an hour, so let's start cooking. Just put it on the stove, turn the heat on and bring it to boil over medium-high heat. In the meantime, let's cook the bacon. Just slice it into small pieces. And saute this in the frying pan. Don't make it too crispy. When it's too crispy, the texture will stand out in onigiri too much. That's good. Let's turn the heat off and take it out in the bowl. Now, I want to make scrambled egg using this fat came out from the bacon, so don't clean the frying pan. Rice came to boil, so turn the heat to low as you can go and set the timer for 12 minutes. Let's make the scrambled egg. So 2 eggs into the bowl. Little bit of salt and pepper. And beat it well. Heat up the frying pan that you used to saute the bacon. Scramble the egg. Looks good, so let's turn the heat off and take it out into the bowl of bacon. You're going to mix this all together anyway, so you can put them together. My rice is not ready yet, so let's cover it with the plastic film so that it doesn't dry out while I wait for the rice. The rice has been cooked for 12 minutes. Turn the heat off, keep the lid on and leave it for 10 minutes to steam. The rice is ready, so let's mix the bacon and the egg. Fluff the rice first. Add bacon and egg. Some black pepper, as much as you like. And mix it well. Put the lid back on and cool it down to the temperature that you can touch. Now the rice is touchable temperature. It's not too hot or too cold. So let's make it into onigiri. Prepare a bowl of water. The rice is very sticky, so you need to keep your hands wet all the time. So, wet your hands completely to the palm. Put some salt on your palm, rub it all over, a little more. When you're making mini onigiri, to standardize the size, you can use small bowl. So put some rice in the bowl. Take it out on your salted palm and try to make it into triangle shape. Don't squeeze it too strong. Like this, about this thickness. Before you carry on to the next one, don't forget to wet your hands. Some salt, rice in the small bowl, onto your palm, then triangle. I made 6 regular size onigiri and 2 small ones for the tasting. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The saltiness from the bacon, fluffy egg and black pepper are so well harmonized and it's delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Bacon and egg onigiri is like a combination of rice and main dish because there is a lot of protein in it. I think I want to have creamy pumpkin soup here. For one of the side dishes, I usually have some sort of pickle, so let's put it here. I'm sorry, I don't have video for this one yet. For the other side dish, how about tuna lettuce salad? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!